As in most projects, you have to make a mess in order to build something. AutoCAD is the same way. In order to create your designs, we will have to make objects in them that ultimately we don't want. A lot of times those objects come in the form of like a construction line or some sort of drawing aid. Whatever they are, they need to go away. So to do this, we use the erase command. You can find the command in the ribbon right here in the Modify panel. In this chapter, you're going to see that we're going to spend a lot of time here in the Modify panel. Click the Erase button, and then select an object or objects that you want to be erased. Press Enter, and they go away. Now you can start the command first, or you can make your selections first, then start the Erase command, and then they go away. You can type in the word erase, or just the letter E. Press Enter, pick your objects, press Enter again, and they go away. If you select your objects first, then start the Erase command, then you're done. You're not in the command anymore. I can start my line command and draw something. Now you can also select objects and then hit the Delete key. Either of these methods with the Erase command or the Delete key, they work the same way. They do the same exact thing. Now, what if you accidentally erased something, like the Oops command? You can type that in, press Enter, and that will bring in the last things that you erased or deleted. That's nice. You say, well, why can't I use the Undo command? Well, you can. You can go back, find all of the things you erased, and undo it. But let's say I accidentally delete or erase my pool, and then I do a whole bunch of work, like recreate another building right next to this. And then one over here, etc. Well, I don't want to undo all of my work. I just want to get my pool back. So if I undo everything, this is all going to be gone. I don't want to do that. I can just type in oops, and it brings it back for me. And I didn't lose any work. Just a minor inconvenience. So that's great. Now sometimes though, when you erase your objects or you're doing some other work, you're zooming in and out and things get messed up on their screen. Your drawing's not really affected, but something's just kind of screwy with your computer. Sometimes, for example, a circle or an arc will get segmented, meaning it won't be a round, smooth curve. It'll be just a series of jagged lines. That happens. Or when I zoom into these points, they're too big. Things like that. Or sometimes when you delete an object, there'll be a screen remnant, meaning your video card on your computer just didn't completely render your screen properly. That happens. When it does, just type in REA for Regen All. That will clean it up. We've seen that before when we've, zoomed out and started panning and just can't pan anymore. Type in REA for Regen All, and it will fix that. It will also re-render your points so that they'll be in the proper size, assuming you've set them up to be a size relative to your screen. So that's the erase. You can select your objects first or after you start the command. You can use the erase command itself, or you can use the delete key on your keyboard, whichever way works best for you.